Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as we can see that there is not much movement going on the chart of gold right now. The craziness of gold is missing as of now. Right now, gold is trading at 1810. So if you have watched my previous video, then the levels that I have already discussed in my previous video are still intact. They are intact. Okay. So if you have any ongoing buy position on gold, okay, you don't need to worry, because we can see that gold is temporarily taking a support here. Buyers in this zone are trying to provide a support, and as a result, after struggling here for a while, after some stagnation, consolidation, gold is trying to go up from here. Because when there was a fall, previous sharp fall here, this was the level that provided support to the market. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy position, you can be on the trade, you don't need to worry. But in case as the day proceeds, if you see heavy fall or some kind of selling in the market, please exit from the buy position, because there may be a heavy fall in the market. You should exit below 1800 level. Okay, you should exit below this level, and if the selling is high enough, you can also go for sell position as well. Okay, so let's discuss the important levels one by one. First of all, if gold goes up from here, if you are looking for fresh entry on the chart of gold, then as I have already discussed previously, you can go for a sell position around this area, and the reason is the resistance in the form of trend line. Yes, trend line is the first resistance. You can see the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for a while. Then we also have the 50 moving average, again another dynamic resistance. See here, 50 moving acted as dynamic resistance. So trend line plus dynamic resistance, the 50 moving average, sorry, okay, two resistances. Plus we also have the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So 1820, as already discussed, 1820 to 25 is a good selling zone. Okay, good seller zone here. But as we all know, no level is permanent in the market. So one market reaches the level, observe the market first, because after all, any fundamental factor may drive the market towards the upside. Okay, so once market reaches this particular level here, observe the market, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, observe the market. If you see that market is struggling around this zone, if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, the resistances that we are discussing right now are still valid, and you can go for a sell position around 1820 to 1825. Okay, and in case market witnesses heavy fall, sharp fall on the chart of gold, then 1785 to 1780 is the first good support for the market. We can expect that if market comes down to this level, market will bounce. But in case there is a heavy selling in the market, because after all, we cannot deny the fact, you must also understand the fact that the overall chart of gold is not much positive. Okay, so if market breaks 1780 level, you can go for a sell position as well, and your target will be 1765, because the next big support, yes, the next big support for gold is 1765 to 1754. I have already shown in my previous video. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again and again. Okay. And now let's have a look at the chart of DXY. Here is our DXY. Yes, the structure that we have discussed in our previous video is still valid. We can see a classic example of an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. It means that we have a resistance. We have a resistance at the top, but whenever market is coming down from the resistance, market is not breaking the previous low, which signifies that buyers are not in the mood to surrender. Buyers एकदम बेकाबू है market को ऊपर ले जाने के लिए. buyers want to take the market up, and usually in ascending triangle pattern we see market breaking the resistance in and going up. If the same thing happens on DXY also, if we see that market breaks the resistance and starts flying again, DXY starts flying again, then obviously gold will see or witness some heavy downfall. So let's wait and watch, and whatever you do, my dear friend, please follow proper risk management. Please be a trader, not a gambler. As I always say, it's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Your analysis may go wrong, my analysis may go wrong. Okay, but you should not be losing your whole capital, 50 to 70% of your capital on a single trade. Okay, so bye bye, all the best, take care.